Ay nako, nganong lakaw-lakaw gid aning lugar. Ay nako. Hawa na guys. So, steep pa kayo guys. Alright. Para kalo. Pero ayan guys, ikan ko na guys. Welcome to Agios Nikolaos here in Greece. Ayan guys, no? Para kalo guys, para kalo. Nandito ngayon sa Agios Nikolaos. And Agios Nikolaos guys is part of Greece. Nasa island talaga siya ng Crete on the other side guys, no? Kaya dito tayo ngayon para mag-ikot-ikot and para mabigyan din kayo ng idea guys kung ano yung Agios Nikolaos guys. Kasi and this is one of those famous stop dito sa Mediterranean, itong island ng Crete. And Agios Nikolaos is like a capital I think of the island of Crete. So partner rin siya ng Greece guys. Okay, so ayan, dami talagang tao, daming turista kasi today is actually, or this season is actually the Mediterranean season. Kaya daming mga turista, no, coming from all over the world, especially most likely guys, mga Europeans din, no, from Germany, France at saka Spain. Alright, so dami talaga guys, dami mo makikita dito, mostly mga ornaments, mga shirts, fabrics, and mostly gelato. Ayan, dami talaga guys. So, and by the way, now is the vacation season sa Europe guys. Kaya marami ka rin makikita ng mga bata na nagtutour, okay, to other parts of Europe. Alright, so ayan guys, this is Agios Nikolaos. Kaya tingnan mo guys, ang daming tao. Alright, napaka-lively talaga ng lugar, daming mamakainan, good song, good music, good food. So yeah, a lot of stuff. All right, so again guys, for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.